All right, ladies and gentlemen, people wanted me to talk about Lunar, LUNR ticker. It's a space stock, space play. I don't talk about space plays, right? It's kind of funny. I'm so focused on quantum AI stocks. I'm so focused on other sectors that I become blind to sectors like the space sector. So I think space stocks right now, unfortunately, if you look at Lunar here on the charts, it is at a high, it is at a top. And you guys know me, I'm not a big fan of buying high, hoping it goes higher. I like buying low, selling high to the people who chase, right? So it's in a trading range right now. It is trying to hold up here. It's trying to hold up and break out. We'll see if it does happen. But right now, let's see if it actually gets a bounce. If it comes back into the trading range, look below because it's going to come back down to like 20, then 16s, and that would be a buying opportunity. So Lunar here, I don't see. Let me see. Space surveillance. Let me look at the ratings here. I just gave it a buy rating. Weekly time frame. Oh wow, on the weekly time frame, if it breaks out above 23.25, it can go. I mean, holy crap, it can really go. That's a huge level. No wonder we're being pushed down. On the monthly time frame, wow, yeah, this could be a double top. So just be careful, right? So yeah, look at that. Isn't that funny? Looks exactly the same as before. So bearish if it doesn't hold here. It should come back down to 20, then 16. If it breaks out above 25, which was a really big level we had to get over back then, and we didn't. We failed to do so, and we dropped as low as $6. So this is why I'm saying, like, be careful. You don't want to be that sucker that chases high at 25, being overconfident, thinking this is going to blow through the roof, and then you hold it all the way down to $6 like an idiot. You don't want to be that guy. You always want to be the guy that's, hey, if it blows to the moon, fantastic. I'll play the breakout with a stop loss, and it shouldn't stop me out because it's just going to kaboom, right? But if it isn't, I get stopped out and take the small loss, and I'll sleep good at night, not holding a big bag all the way down to 6 or however low this thing wants to go. But it looks like space stocks here, specifically Lunar, look for a breakout this week, if not next week. And this should send it to 30, 35, 40. That's something to look out for. This is actually a pretty good play for the breakout if it does happen. Again, set a stop loss. Don't just buy the breakout and hope it works out. Like, come on, man. That's ridiculous. You don't do that. Don't do that. So yeah, look out. Let's see if it holds and breaks out above 25. If that happens, you're gonna see a surge, and your people are gonna pile on because that's a huge breakout above a big level that we could not get over back then. Very good setup here for the breakout. And here's the thing, guys: a stock that's in a bull run, what needs to happen for the stock to go higher? It needs to constantly do what? It needs to constantly break out, right? It needs to constantly break out. So here, for example, it had to break out here to go from 9 to 12.50. It had to break out above 9. Here it had to break out above 14s to go to where it did here at 22s. And here we are, rinse and repeat, right? It pulls back. It has to break out above 25, and it's going to go to 30 at least. And then the cycle will repeat. So that's just kind of how it is, right? In a bull run, stocks need to continue to break out, right? You go up, you pull back, you go up higher, you pull back, you go up higher, higher highs, higher lows. Really is what I'm saying here, just explaining it for people to understand what I mean. So there you go. Look for the breakout. If it doesn't happen, watch out. Look to buy below at 16 to 20.